Now let us discuss the first subclassification related to monohydric alcohols, that is compounds containing sp3 hybridized OH bond. So in this type alcohols, the alcohols which is having OH group, we know that alcohols will have OH functional group. That alcohols having OH functional group will directly attach to sp3 hybridized carbon, that is known as carbon sp3 hybridized OH bond. So basically when we discuss with the first type of monohydric alcohol, this first type of monohydric alcohol is further classified into three types. Means this major classification is further divided into three subclassifications. The first subclassification is called as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. This is the first subclassification, and the second subclassification is called as allylic alcohols, and the third subclassification is called as benzylic alcohols. Now let us discuss each and every subclassification in detail. First one. So as we have already studied in haloalkanes and haloarenes, you know that primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol is nothing but in which one of the hydrogen, if one of the hydrogen in an alkyl group is replaced by one particular substituent of alkyl, then this particular carbon is known as primary carbon. Since all the bonds are single bond, the carbon OH bond is sp3 hybridized. So this is nothing but a primary alcohol. And we know that in secondary alcohol, two hydrogens are replaced by two alkyl groups. Now the bond between carbon and the other are single bond. Hence it is sp3 hybridized, which is known as a secondary alcohol. And when it comes to a tertiary alcohol, all three hydrogens are replaced by three alkyl groups. Now this particular carbon is a tertiary carbon, where the hybridization between carbon and OH is again sp3. Hence this is called as tertiary alcohol. This is the first subclassification related to primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Now second one, when it comes to the second subclassification, which is called as allylic alcohols. So already we know that the meaning of allyl is existence of double bond and single bond alternately between carbon and carbon, that is called as an allyl. So when it comes to allylic alcohols, these allylic alcohols are also categorized as a primary alcohol, a secondary alcohol and a tertiary alcohol, in which the carbon and OH bond is again sp3 hybridized. So in these type of alcohols, the OH group is again attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Hence these allylic alcohols are also categorized into three different subcategories, which can be represented as, check with this, CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2 OH. So this is an allyl, double bond between carbon and carbon, single bond, double, and as I said, double and single bond should be present alternately between carbon and carbon. So between carbon and carbon, double bond followed by single bond, again OH. Now this particular carbon is substituted by only one particular allylic group. Hence this is called as primary allylic alcohol. So when it comes to secondary allylic alcohol, that is CH2 double bond CH. So substitute this carbon by one R and this carbon by one more substituent R. So this is again OH, which can be called as a secondary allylic alcohol. And when it comes to a tertiary allylic alcohol. So this tertiary allylic alcohol here, sorry, this is secondary allylic alcohol, this is hydrogen, because only one particular hydrogen has to be replaced. This is hydrogen. When it comes to tertiary allylic alcohol, this tertiary allylic alcohol can be represented as CH2 double bond CH, single bond C with R, with R, with OH. See here, this carbon becomes tertiary now. So here, this carbon is primary because only one hydrogen has been replaced. This carbon is called as secondary carbon because it has been replaced by one alkyl group and one allylic group. This is hydrogen. And a tertiary allylic alcohol is one which has been replaced by two alkyl groups as well as one particular allyl group. So this is the second subclassification called as an allylic alcohols with respect to carbon and OH bond having sp3 hybridization. Now the final third subclassification. Let us discuss with the third subclassification with reference to carbon and OH group having sp3 hybridization, that is nothing but benzylic alcohols. So when we discuss with this benzylic alcohols, in this benzylic alcohols, the OH group is again attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. So this benzylic alcohols also has three subclassifications. So that is nothing but this is C benzene ring with CH2OH. This is called as a primary benzylic alcohol. If I consider the same primary benzylic alcohol, if one of the hydrogen is replaced by an alkyl group, that is R, this is known as a secondary. This carbon is a secondary carbon which is known as a secondary benzylic alcohol. And when I write with the tertiary compound, here both the hydrogens has been replaced by alkyl group. This carbon becomes tertiary, hence it is called as a tertiary benzylic alcohol. So these are the three different subclassifications related to carbon and OH group having sp3 hybridization. Now let us discuss with the second subclassification, that is carbon and OH group having sp2 hybridization. So when we discuss with carbon and OH group having sp2 hybridization, here majorly in this case the OH group will bind to sp2 hybridized carbon. So when we study with this concept, in this case the OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon, which can be called as an aryl carbon. Either it can be an aryl carbon or it can be a vinyl carbon. So a question arises, what is the meaning of aryl carbon and what is the meaning of vinyl carbon? A aryl carbon is one which contains a benzene ring, because in benzene ring there is an existence of alternate double bond. We know this. Hence this can also be called as what? Phenol, which contains a double bond between carbon and carbon. Now the bond between carbon and OH is definitely sp2 hybridized because this carbon has a double bond associated with it. Next, when it comes to a vinyl carbon, this vinyl carbon is nothing but there exists a double bond between carbon and carbon. This can be represented as CH2 double bond CHOH. Hence this can be called as vinyl alcohol. Means when it comes to carbon and OH having sp2 hybridization, here we can study this with relevance to two types, that is aryl carbon as well as vinyl carbon. And aryl carbon is one in which the OH group is attached to benzene ring, and the best example is phenol. And then vinyl carbon is one in which the OH group is directly attached to doubly bonded carbon, which can be called as a vinyl alcohol.